So here is our wireless charger that I'm going to swap out with the one that came with my vehicle. Looks pretty sharp, got some gold here on the bottom, also a gold dot, 2 green lights to let you know when the item is being charged. So let's open it up. Beautiful design. Tray right here for when your phone is on top. So you're going to be able to put one here, here, here. On the back side, you have the inputs for the cables. Here's one set of cables. And here's your second set for, looks like, adapters. Now set these cables aside just for a moment because we're going to take off this piece and replace it with our new piece. So what you do is you lift this up. Now here's your piece where your phone normally rests and is charged. So for example, you have your phone like this, and this keeps it from sliding down. We're gonna lift this up, take your phone off, and then slide this off to the left toward the driver's side. Hang on to this, or just put it aside, and then we'll lift off the current pad. Now this current pad is attached with a cable back here. You're gonna pull the cable out very gently, and this is basically your charging pad that Tesla gives you. But we're gonna make it nicer by replacing it with this one. Now, we do have the cables in the back here. This is where we're gonna use the cables that were given to us. Just simply plug in, and with this, we're gonna slide these through these 2 holes right here, which is gonna thread underneath. And now the cables are underneath, but what you need to do is use this splitter here and plug in the male to female, because we're going to be charging both sides. And then plug this in to the USB that's underneath. Now it is charged, and then we replace the original piece, but we won't necessarily use it for the phone, but that completes the process of making this all look good together. Now, there is still a USB down below, so if you have something else you want to charge, you can use that one down there. So that's how it's all set. How simple is that to install? So what makes the new charger better than the one that came with the vehicle is, yeah, you can put them side by side, and when you do, you'll be able to see the green light letting you know that that side is being charged and now this side is being charged. But what you can't do with the old one is you can't put something down on the bottom because you had this line right here keeping you from doing that. So now you can put it on the side if you don't want to put it on upright on either side. All right, thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Adios. If you end up buying a Tesla, which I hope you seriously consider, use my Tesla referral link to receive 1,000 miles of free supercharging on a Model S, Model X, or Model 3. There's a link below this video. It's free miles. Might as well take advantage of it.